Hello and welcome to my review of the LIMINK LK16 Alloy Portable Tri-Screen Monitors. Let's quickly look at the pros and cons. First, the pros. These beautiful 16-inch LED monitors with an aspect ratio of 16 by 10 and resolution up to 1920 by 1200 will fit your 15-inch to 17.3-inch laptop screens perfectly. Built with aluminum alloy, these units are very strong and very sturdy. And in fact, the screens, they fold inside so they're always protected when not in use. The leather covering that comes with the screen also helps to protect everything, leaving you with a very nice and beautifully aesthetic looking unit. The screens are actually very comfortable to use, and I've actually used them in both a coffee shop and at my daughter's gym when she's working out. Now let's talk about the cons. Since they are built with aluminum alloy, they are a little bit on the heavy side, so just be prepared for that. The only other con I have has to do with the ports. The ports are currently on the side of the monitors, which means when the cables are plugged in, it actually adds more weight to the unit. I would actually prefer they put the ports either on the bottom or on top. I actually prefer the bottom if they can. Otherwise, that's the only two cons I have. Now let's talk about how to set up these monitors with your laptop. Setting up the LK16 monitors to your laptop is very straightforward. One suggestion though is to install the cables on your laptop first before installing the monitors. Open your laptop up and put your laptop monitor at a 90-degree angle. Place the LK16 monitors on the side with the tabs facing you. You'll notice on the left-hand side that the monitor has a thick spine and the right side is pretty open. You want to make sure you hold the monitors on the thicker side. Don't hold the monitors on the open side. Remove the leather protective casing from the monitors and place the monitors so the ports are facing you and the spine is in the back. Remember, those tabs need to be up on top. Using the two pull rings, open up the backing so the monitors are in a U position. On the top of the back spine, rotate the tabs out. These tabs are used to rest the monitors on the laptop monitor. Now insert your thumbs into the pull tabs, place your fingers in the back for support, lift up, separate, and install so the tabs are resting on top and the sides are secured to the laptop monitor. Connect the cables you connected to your laptop at the beginning to your monitors. Remember, each monitor requires either a USB-C to USB-C cable or an HDMI and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Your LK16 monitors are now connected and ready to use. To keep your monitors in the optimal position, utilize the kickstand in the back of the monitor. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.